Regular maintenance is an essential aspect of car ownership that can help ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle. By keeping up with routine maintenance tasks such as oil changes, tire rotations, and other recommended services, you can avoid more costly repairs in the future. Regular oil changes, for example, help to keep your engine lubricated and prevent excess wear and tear on engine components. Similarly, rotating your tires can help to ensure even tire wear and prolong the life of your tires. Neglecting routine maintenance tasks can lead to more significant problems down the road, such as engine failure, transmission issues, or brake problems, which can be both dangerous and expensive to repair. To stay on top of your car's maintenance needs, consult your owner's manual for recommended service intervals and schedule regular appointments with a qualified mechanic. By taking care of your car's maintenance needs, you can enjoy a safer, more reliable driving experience and protect your investment in the long run.